This is Hollyland Lark M1. Here's the box. Let's remove the bubble wrap. First there is branding and preview and some highlights. On the back, some more highlights and more information. Now let's unbox. First we have a nice grey pouch. Inside, on one side there is mic case and windbreakers. On the other side there is this partition like flap and a pocket. Inside the pocket there are cables and documentation. Thank you card, quick guide, some more information and user manual. Now here's the case. Let's remove the cover. This is how it looks. Now let's have a physical overview. This is a solid case. Mostly plain black design with yellow lines separating the lid and the body. On the front, we have 4 LED lights, Hollyland logo. On the sides, it is plain, but the case itself has some design. On the top, it is plain. On the bottom, it has Type-C port and an LED indicator. On the back, it is plain. Now let's open the lid. This is how the mics look like. This is the receiver, and these are the transmitters. All these have branding on the front side. On the receiver, on the front there are 2 LED lights, one for each receiver. On the bottom there are charging pins. On the left there is Type-C port, multifunction buttons that also act as volume buttons. On the right there is power button and output jack, that is 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back there is a clip to put it on clothes or the camera monitor or anywhere else. On the transmitters, on the front you can see the mic area, that is you can see the grill. There is an LED light which is when on it is blue in color. On the left there is power button and yellow button. The yellow button is noise cancellation button. On the right it is plain. On top there is mic grill. On the bottom there is Type-C port and charging pins. On the back there is a clip to put it on clothes or anywhere else. Now let's look at some specs. Now let's look at the functions. We can connect the receiver to the camera and start recording. It is plug and play. It will start recording audio along with the camera video. You can take the transmitters and the receiver out of the case and they will pair and start and are ready to record. Now you can press the yellow button on the side for one-click noise cancellation. Now I'll show you the sample audio. This is how it will sound when the receiver is directly plugged into the camera. In this video I'll be comparing audio from Lark M1 and Lark M2. Both are from Hollyland. Just to get an overview, I will also be comparing with Rode Wireless Go 2. These are the cases for Hollyland Lark M2 and M1. This is M1 and this is M2. M2 case feels slightly heavier compared to M1. Not a big deal, just a few grams difference. Also, whatever audio you are hearing right now is directly from the camera itself. Now this is Hollyland Lark M1. This has a clip mechanism. You can just clip it to your t-shirt and that's it. It's pretty simple. You can also press this yellow button to denoise your audio. I'll do that again. Hello, mic check, mic check. Hollyland Lark M1 mic. This is audio from Hollyland Lark M1 mic and the receiver is directly plugged into the camera. This is Hollyland Lark M1 mic and the receiver is directly plugged into the camera. I hope you can listen to the audio and hopefully there is some difference. Now this is Lark M1. Now this is Lark M1 and this is the dead cat it comes with. Attaching dead cat to Lark M1 is very easy. The windbreaker. This is how it looks like. This doesn't stay that well. Anyway, this is the audio from Lark M1 with windbreaker on. I have also compared this with Lark M2 and also Rode Wireless Go 2, which we use for most of our videos right now. So here are the comparison samples. Now the audio is being recorded with Rode Wireless Go 2. This is how it sounds with Rode Wireless Go 2 mic, directly plugged into the camera. Let me know if you see any difference and which one you like the best. This is audio from Hollyland Lark M1. Now this is the audio from Hollyland Lark M2. This is audio from Rode Wireless Go 2. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most and can you actually tell the difference? Is there a difference between anything that you have seen so far or heard so far? Let us know in the comments below. The Hollyland Lark M1 is pretty good. It sounds well balanced and has a nice noise cancellation. There is also audio clipping, so it won't go beyond a certain limit, so you don't have to worry about screams or accidental sudden noises. you can buy it on Amazon. As for price, it is available for 4,306 for Hollyland Lark M1 Solo, so you only get one transmitter and one receiver. But if you want two transmitters and one receiver, it will cost you 7,131 rupees. To conclude, if you are looking for a compact microphone which also has a convenient one-click noise cancellation button at this price point, look no further. This will give you the quality you need. But if you do have a bigger budget, then definitely check out our Hollyland Lark M2 video. It will be coming soon. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.